I got the feeling that the idea we had of building a networked European marketing cloud, there's something big going on now for the next few years, and with the right position, I think it's even bigger than we thought it would be, and I find this very, very inspiring, motivating.
Welcome to a special edition of Inside Censhare. I'm Ian TRUSCOTT, VP Global Marketing, and today we're in Munich, about to welcome over 160 different organisations to our ecosphere days 2017. What's the key takeaway we should get from your presentation?
Well, I talked about content being the core of what we do, and the key takeaway there was really that technology solves only a very small part of the equation. So you can buy a technology, you can believe it's the greatest technology that you're buying, but there's content, there's metadata, there's process, there's governance and standards, all these things that really go around the core technology that are instrumental in solving your challenges.
So with multi-channel, so many companies are already doing it with regard, they have a social presence, they have a web presence, they're trying to do mobile. But I think really to get all of those things right and be able to move to the next step, which is omni-channel, that ever, far-reaching omni-channel, is to galvanize your people and your processes.
I said in the Q&A that the technology is the easy bit, and that's because it's either a 1 or a 0. Getting people enthused about the change, taking them on the journey with you, makes everything much easier.
You can have the world's best technology, and if you have a mediocre or subpar implementation partner, you're not going to get what you need out of that technology, whereas you can take a middle of the road, not fantastic technology, and if you have a super amazing implementation partner who really understands the business's needs and the goals and align them with a goal and an organizational drive, then they can make that technology sing and really, from a Censhare perspective, really show what it can do.
I think that digital asset management is very foundational to everything marketers do. It's very foundational for all kinds of organizations now, because media and imagery and video is so important just for captivating customers. Most organizations that originally bought a DAM, it was for a single reason, like marketing or publishing a catalog or something like that. Now it's much more, how do we stretch it out? How do we expand the scope of DAM? How do we make it more multi-channel?
It's not technology for technology's sake. It's putting in a system that helps remove obstacles, make processes more efficient, and take away the busy work so that creative people can spend time being creative.
We talk about silos a lot in multiple ways because customer experience itself isn't just a marketing task. It's marketing, sales, service, commerce, and operations. And marketing resource management touches all of those business disciplines, and all of those people can really benefit from having a common place to look at their strategy and their goals to ensure that everyone is supporting the same end goal for the business.
The audience has a feeling that it's not a DAM system that they need. They need a strategy for the dealing with all these contents, how they're connecting together, and not to think about only a DAM system.
Being able to show that global airlines such as Lufthansa can handle something like that and implement something like that, and it's working. I think it's also something that, because a lot of people are worried, can we do this? Can we set something like this up? Will it work? And yes, it is a challenge, but it's definitely worth it.
It was 2 great days with partners, existing and potential customers, and it's great atmosphere and good discussions here. It's a really, really great event.
The event showed that working together with partners like BAUER and CHRISTOPH will bring us to the next level, because beside our relationship, we saw a lot of other partners here in the room. We are working with them and we develop something really big here in Europe.